Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. So in this video we're going to take a look at the card option called Remove Underlines. So let's go ahead here on to Anki.net, and you can see in the card option you have something called Remove Underlines, and it says disable underline. This is an option that was created due to changes in the way Notion handles underlines. So back in the day, let's actually export this here. So you can see it. It's self-explanatory, but I still want to go through the import-export process. I never know when people are starting to use Notion to Anki, so that's why I repeat all of these steps now. Try to do it a little bit slower. Thanks for the feedback, by the way, from everybody who's writing in the comments. So we imported that right here. This, and you can see the underline is there. So before, when you exported from Notion, right, it did not include this underlines. So some students were actually used to no underlines, so they got very surprised when suddenly one day Notion did something in their export process, I think, and that resulted in these underlines starting to show up, right? So this option was created to allow them to easily continue using Notion to Anki like they did before, and remove the underlines that are in Notion. So if you upload that page, let's see there, I'm just going to reuse the same upload, download, and you can probably guess what happens. It's gonna remove the underline. So that's how you use that card option. And by the way, we did some updates to the card option settings part. I'm gonna come out with a new video for that, going through the latest changes, so look forward to that. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.